Essay on wild animals. Wild animal is a term that refers to animals that are not normally domesticated. Wild animals generally live in forests. Some of the wild animals harms us and some of them do not. Some examples for wild animals are tiger, lions, cheetahs, snakes, bear, elephants, and many more. These animals sometimes behave in very angry way and sometimes in soft way. Wild animals are important for their beauty, economic, scientific, and survival value. It helps to maintain the ecological balance of nature and maintains the food chain. We largely depend on wild animals for every elementary requirement in our life, like the clothes we wear and the medicines we consume. Elephants were killed for their tusks. Similarly, deer and lion were killed for their skin. In order to protect the wild animals, the government of many countries have enacted laws to prevent illegal hunting. Now, our duty is to support the wildlife protection laws. We must communicate about the legal rights to the wild animals so that nobody could violate the laws of wildlife protection. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.